All right, friends, good morning. Here's your schedule for Friday, April 16th. So I've gone over this with you yesterday in class, but just a quick review. Morning math notes, you have a link, and I have completed recordings of a two-part videos of our math notes for our lesson today. I gave you your math notes at home, or to take home yesterday, and there's also an attached worksheet to those math notes, so make sure you're completing both. Make sure you watch both videos and complete the assigned worksheet with that, please. Um, Language arts, complete 2 IXL reading strategies. Recommendations with a SMART score of 80 or more. IXL is a must, not a choice. I will say, yesterday, everyone did their IXL during Daily Duncan Cafe. Super impressed. I want to see that continue, please. That's the only way I'm going to not grade it. If you guys keep doing it without me hounding you, then I will not make it a grade. So make sure you're working on that independently, please. Zoom at 9:30, we're going to go over the Wonders book pages 100 through 104. If you do not want to join the Zoom, that's okay, but you do need to complete pages 100 through 104 of your Wonders book, please. Also, you need to read your Bob book. The first book is due on Monday. Everyone needs to have at least their first book done on Monday. Some of you are on your third book already, which is great. But make sure you're getting those books read, please. Recess and lunch. And then in the afternoon, I have a Liberty Kids episode on the Intolerable Acts, which are the same as the coercive acts that we read about on Wednesday for the Boston Tea Party. When you are done watching the video, there is an assigned worksheet on Google Classroom here for you to complete. Okay? Click Turn In when you're done with that worksheet, please. Looking back at special, it's a free choice Friday. And in the afternoon, I want you working on Zern. Lessons 1 and 2 are due by this week. If you can get ahead of on Zern, I strongly recommend it. Okay? And then in the afternoon, I have any catch-up time and any makeup work that you may have and any Bob reading that you need to get done. All right, guys, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.